Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix Google Chrome when it does not upload files. When Google Chrome fails to upload files, it is often related to browser permissions, extensions, network issues, or corrupted cache data. This problem can appear on websites that require file uploads, such as Google Drive. Start by refreshing your page and checking your internet connection to make sure it is stable. You can also clear your browser cache. To do this, just go to Settings, then go to Privacy and Security. Click on Delete Browsing Data and clear your cached images and files. Then click on Delete Data. You can also try opening the site in incognito mode to test whether extensions are interfering with uploads. Some extensions, especially download managers, ad blockers, or security tools, can block upload requests. Go to your extensions and disable or remove any that you think may be causing the problem until you find the culprit. Also, make sure to keep Chrome updated. Go to Settings, then About Chrome, and make sure Chrome is updated to the latest version. Sometimes restarting the browser and your device can also fix upload-related issues. If the problem only happens on one website, the issue may be site-specific rather than a Chrome problem. We learned why file uploads may fail in Chrome and how browser data, extensions, and permissions can affect uploads. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.